Hello YouTube. Doing the radiator and the thermostat on this 98 Toyota Camry, and I just wanted to share a trick that I just kind of came up with by myself one day. I was doing the thermostat on that PT Cruiser. But anyways, I've got the thermostat right here. Normally you would put the thermostat onto the housing and bolt it onto the engine. Problem is the thermostat won't stay on the housing. So what I kind of figured out one day, because I was thinking and finally came up with a good idea. I was like, how am I going to get this to stay on there? You take a piece of dental floss, make sure it's long enough to go through the housing, like that. Take your thermostat housing. Might have to turn this fan off. Alright, you got it on the video. Try to get that in there. It doesn't want to go through all this wind. It helps if you're not standing in the wind. There we go. Now stuck to the side. There we go. Okay, there's our string. Here's our thermostat. So now you can hang on to the string while you put your, see, like that thermostat's not going anywhere. And once you get it bolted on, just grab the end of the string and pull it out and you're done.